Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're unpacking something absolutely massive. We're talking about Agentix AI Agents, and honestly, the sheer future of autonomous business automation. We're looking at exactly how everyday people are allegedly scaling up their operations and driving real profits, all without writing a single line of code.
So ask yourself this: what if your laptop never slept? Just imagine it, a relentless digital worker that builds your campaigns, creates your content, and generates leads 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's working while you're asleep, while you're at a coffee shop, or even cruising at 30,000 feet on an airplane. The source text we're analyzing today claims this literally isn't science fiction anymore. It paints this vivid, highly profitable picture of a system operating totally autonomously around the clock. It's creating digital assets and driving viral metrics, all while the human operator, you, steps completely away from the keyboard.
Because let's face it, the alternative is brutal. It's the chaotic, burnout-inducing reality of the manual business grind. You know the feeling. Writing endless emails, grinding out keyword research late into the night, staring at 20-plus open tabs until your eyes blur. Our source material really highlights this intense struggle, the sheer crushing exhaustion of trying to manage absolutely everything yourself. But then it introduces a dramatic pivot to a totally new way of working.
Okay, let's dive into this. Enter the autonomous AI agent. Now, our source makes it crystal clear. This is not just another basic chatbot, not even close. It's a highly capable digital worker given a specific mission to independently execute entire multi-step workflows automatically. You aren't spoon-feeding it step-by-step prompts. You're handing it an objective. And according to the platform's official documentation, you deploy these agents with zero coding, no complex server hosting, and no nightmare technical setups. It's a fundamental paradigm shift from doing the manual labor yourself to commanding your own automated digital workspace.
Here is the absolute game changer in the mechanics. Think about traditional AI for a second. It's static. You type a prompt, it thinks, it gives you an output, and then it stops. It just sits there waiting for you to tell it what to do next. But Agentix, it relies on continuous execution loops. Think, decide, execute, evaluate, and then continue. It dynamically adjusts and just aggressively pushes through multi-step workflows without ever stopping to ask for your permission to keep going.
Now, a loop-based engine is incredible, but it needs to actually connect to the outside world to be useful, right? Well, how about over 9,430 tool integrations? That is the massive, staggering number the platform claims to have. It's this sprawling digital web that allows these agents to seamlessly trigger actions across your entire business ecosystem.
Section 1. Automating your income streams. 3 core use cases.
Let's look at some pragmatic applications, starting with affiliate marketing. According to the source, users are literally deploying these AI agents as an affiliate campaign engine. Here's how it flows. You simply find a product. Then, the agent independently researches the offer, writes the review articles, maps out the entire email sequence, and builds the promotional assets. The platform claims users are generating complete, ready-to-launch affiliate campaigns in minutes. It's taking what used to be weeks of grueling manual labor and turning it into instant automated execution.
But it goes way beyond just affiliate marketing. Look, we all know businesses desperately need leads that transform into real sales, and they pay massive retainers for content creation, social media management, and email copywriting. Well, the source specifically notes that Agentix includes commercial rights, meaning one single person armed with a fleet of these autonomous agents can suddenly produce the sheer volume of high-quality work that normally requires an entire digital agency.
And then there's the compounding power of content automation. The source shares this really fascinating anecdote about a Reddit user who built an AI-assisted blog. When you track the growth, notice how the traffic compounds across those early weeks. As the agents continually generate and publish SEO articles, social media posts, and scripts at a massive scale, that content builds on itself. The growth just accelerates into this incredible recurring momentum.
And this brilliantly illustrates the sheer scope of multimodal content generation. Because we aren't just talking about text here. From within one single cloud-based ecosystem, these agents are generating highly optimized SEO text, creating visual images, producing audio voiceovers, and building out entire landing pages. It's a completely synchronized, multi-format workflow, all brought to life inside one single browser dashboard.
Okay, let's take a quick pause here for a strict reality check, straight from the source material. The biggest advantage isn't push-button riches, it's leverage. Listen, no software, no matter how incredibly advanced or autonomous it is, guarantees instant wealth. Multiple reviewers point out that you still need human strategy. You absolutely need real marketing, clever distribution, consistency, and a genuinely good offer. The AI can automate the heavy lifting, the execution, but you, the human operator, provide the judgment. You are the architect. The AI is simply your ultimate leverage.
But make no mistake, having that leverage right now is absolutely critical. AI business automation is evolving at lightning speed. We are witnessing an intense, incredibly rapid evolution, faster than almost any technological shift we've seen in years. The entire landscape of online wealth generation is being actively rewritten in real time. And the stark warning from our source material is simply this: the early movers win. The people who are actively learning and adopting these autonomous loop-based systems right now are positioning themselves ahead of a massive, impending wave of online business automation. They're out there building their fleets of digital workers, while everyone else is still stuck struggling with the manual grind.
So if you want to see exactly how this engine works, you need to explore the platform and watch the demos via the source links provided. The technology is here, the digital workers are ready to be deployed, and the speed of execution is simply unmatched. But it leaves us with one incredibly important question to ponder. As autonomous systems take over the relentless daily grind of execution, what limits will be left on human imagination and strategy? In a world where your laptop never sleeps, what will you choose to build?